Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Love Learning Quran Learning Platform. In this video, I will demonstrate how a teacher can set a goal for his students. Now, this is the home page for a teacher, logged in as a teacher here in Love Learning Quran. And there are three tabs: class, my messages, class resources. To set the goals for a student, teacher can click on the class tab like that. Here, the recently opened class is shown. To view all the classes, the teacher can click on My Class, and that will show a list of all the classes the teacher has. Now, if we click on one class, the details for the class are shown in this page. So there are a few fields here: a reading goal monthly, reading goal yearly. What this means is reading goal is the number of ayat a student targets to read in a day. Now, a teacher can click on the pencil icon and change this number and click save. This will save the reading goal for that class. Now, you can notice here that the reading goal monthly has been auto calculated and reading goal yearly has also been auto calculated. So, if a student reads 5 ayat in a day, in a month that student will cover 150 ayat, and that same student will read 1825 ayat in a year. Similarly, a goal can be set to memorize ayat, or a goal can be set to understanding an ayah. Now, understanding means not just reading the Arabic, but understanding the meanings of the Arabic words in Quran. So this goal can be set for how many ayat does the student want to understand in a day, which means in a month it will be 90, and in a year 1095. So all of this data is set up for the class, and the teacher can manage this. Also, this data is reflected on the student side as well. So I'll show you another tab in this one where the student logs in, and this is the student's homepage. So whenever the student logs in, the student can see the reading goal, the memorizing goal, and the understanding goals they've set. Now, this is set with consultation of between this teacher and the student, and they can change this target whenever they feel they can achieve more. So within a year, the number of ayat they can read, then a month, and what's the daily target. I hope this video would help the teachers and the students to set their goals. And if there are any questions, suggestions, or comments, please write them down in the comment section below. Thank you, and Assalamu alaikum.